What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem where Google Chrome's search engine keeps switching to Bing or Yahoo. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To begin, search for Chrome in your Start menu search and hit Enter. On the Chrome window, navigate to your extensions, because this issue often arises due to unwanted or malicious extensions that might have been installed accidentally. To verify your extensions, click on the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. Navigate to Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of all the extensions installed on your browser. Look through this list for any extensions that you don't recognize, seem suspicious, or don't remember installing. If you find any, you have the option to either disable or remove them entirely from Chrome. To remove an extension, simply click on Remove and confirm your action. If you believe an extension is malicious, you can also report abuse by selecting Report Abuse, which helps Google identify problematic extensions and prevents others from installing them. With that done, the next step is to reset Chrome to its original settings. This can be an effective way to eradicate any changes made by unwanted software or extensions. To reset Chrome, click on the three dots and access your settings. Then, look for the Reset Settings option in the list of options at the left side pane of the settings page. Here, you'll find the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Selecting this will reset your startup page, the new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It also disables all extensions and clears temporary data like cookies. Be mindful that this action cannot be undone, so consider it carefully before proceeding. If you're still experiencing issues after these steps, running a full scan with your antivirus software can help identify and remove any malware or harmful software that might be causing the problem. On the Windows 11 PC, search for Virus and Threat Protection in your Start menu search and hit Enter. Proceed to click on Quick Scan once the Windows Security window opens up. This step is crucial, as some malware might have been designed to hijack browser settings and redirect searches to generate ad revenue or steal personal information. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.